Dear students, here are all the formulae for mensuration that you will need to solve your solid figures. Solid figure means cuboid, cube, cylinder, cone, sphere and frustum. All these. Here the formulae are given. In case of cuboid, the length, breadth and height are taken as L, B and H. And here are all the formulae that you need to calculate the different problems of containing cuboid. Next, cube. Cube is a solid figure having all sides equal. It has got 6 surfaces and these surfaces are enclosed by length, breadth, height, and that is called side, which all are equal and represented as A. Here are 7 formulae are there. This is a right circular cylinder. It has got a radius R, height H, and the different formulae are these 1, 2, 3, this is 4. Volume is pi r square H, this is 4 and 5. And hollow cylinder, in case of hollow cylinder, the external radius is capital R, internal radius is small r, height H, curved or lateral surface area is which is external 2 pi capital R H, and internal curved surface area will be same. The R radius will be small 2 pi r smaller H. Each annular surface is like this, pi capital R square minus small r square, and total surface area is like this. Volume pi r square minus r square. Cone is like this. It has got radius, height means perpendicular height, and this is slant height. Or slant height means not perpendicular, it is slant. It is slant in nature. So these are the formulae for calculating different problems from cone. And sphere, it has got only one surface which is curved. Curved surface area, volume and curved surface area of hemisphere. This is hemisphere. A hemisphere means half of a sphere is hemisphere. If its radius r, then curved surface area is like this, total surface area and volume are given. When a hollow sphere, in case of hollow sphere, external radius is capital R, internal radius is small r. Therefore, volume of hollow sphere is like this, 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. And hollow hemisphere with external radius r and internal radius small r is like this. So all these are from sphere, and this is a frustum of a cone. It is called frustum. Looks like a bucket. Since bucket has 2 circumference, one is larger one and the other is smaller one, 2 circumferences. Let the base, which is larger one here, larger one is capital R, and the top, which is smaller, it is smaller. The perpendicular height is H and the slant height is L. So these are the formulae for different problems from frustum. You can use this for solving this. Clearly, Dev's Academy is always ready to solve your problems. Unhesitatingly demand whatever are your problems. All the formulae is for you. You can use it at your own wish, whenever you will need, you can use all these. Thank you today. From next day, I will solve different problems regarding the solid figures. Thank you.